Hello everybody, Peter here, and I have revived a VHS-C camera. Now this camera was made in February of 1995. It's quite a bit older than I am. So I have fully charged this battery, and hopefully I'll put it in the right way. I think it goes in this way. Alright, so this is a full screen camera. It uses VHS-C tapes. See, I have a tape in there. It's my own tape. I only started using this one last year. So you can see it has all the specific settings on it. Please focus. And it has these function buttons. On the other side, we have function buttons too. These sets the quality, I think. Stop, play. These two buttons set the date and time. Alright, that's the camera. So here's what the quality looks like. It looks like when you plug it in directly to the computer. It's not very bad. I like it. You can see why I want to use this as possibly a secondary webcam. This could be good for like web broadcasts and stuff. And because it's a camera, it'll work like a camera. And it'll be like connected to your computer. Thank God for the dazzle. Alright, I'm gonna switch down to the tape player on this thing. Here we go. Here is the quality of the Minolta Master C-532 VHS-C camcorder. This is the microphone. This is the lens. It's a pretty good lens. I actually showed this camera in my ShamWow parody. Pretty good. Set it so it looks like widescreen cinema. Oh my goodness! What on earth was that? I need to know the meaning of life. This instant! Maybe not now, I'll give you a while. Alright, you can also put titles in there. This is a pretty appropriate title considering it is winter vacation. How's your day been? These are my feet. If you want to know what I use to capture this, I use the audio-video cables and a dazzle. And then that goes to a USB port in my computer. And I can put the software, not the software, the video, right over there. Right now I'm just going to do a quick sound test. Wait, let's try to play a song. If you know what song that is, you get a cookie. Hint, it's by the Foo Fighters. Can you believe that they're still selling VHS-C tape? The other day, well, a few weeks ago, I went to CVS and they had it on display. I wasn't going to get it because what am I going to use it for? This is like, I can turn this camera that I'm using right now into a webcam with the dazzle. That's pretty cool. So, that is the test for everything that this camera shoots. I'll see you all later. Hey Barry, my camera works! Ah! Here's some older footage. It was shot at a pier in May of 2010.
You want to drive us back to that Louis place?
So yeah, that was my video, the Minolta Master C-532. It's a very good camcorder, especially for its time. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to get one, they're probably on eBay. Yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye.